I want to show you this SmallRig mobile video kit for iPhone 15 Pro Max. So I'm using my iPhone to do this filming, so I don't have my iPhone in there, but let me show you this thing as it is. This thing is really, really well designed. So as you can imagine, normally I would have my iPhone 15 Pro Max in there, and I have this thing set up so that, let me fix this because I was messing around with it. So it is that easy to remove the handle and reposition it, but I would typically have this thing this way to film. There is a shutter on this side that I can use to either take photos or start and stop the video. Now, the quick release that you've already seen, it's a clip that I press on either side and the claw comes out, and then the two studs here is what goes in the frame. So if I want to use my frame in this mode, I can do it this way, but if I want to use the frame in vertical mode, then I can just do that, and then now I can hold it this way on the side. And of course I can have both of them on the side and then go full portrait TikTok style mode, or of course you can do it one way like this as well. So versatile for sure, right? And the way the phone goes in there is again very, very easy. There's one button that is lock and unlock. You press this guy in, and then the top opens up, and then the phone slides in. There's a rubber gasket all the way around to protect your phone. So the phone is only in contact with the rubber gasket. Now, there are lots of metal pieces in here, so even though there's a rubber gasket there, as I put my phone in and out, sometimes I do scrape the side of the phone on the edges, so be a little bit careful if you really care about not scratching the edge of your very expensive 15 Pro Max, but it works really well. This lens cover can also be changed, and other things can be attached to it using all the other accessories from SmallRig. I don't have them, so I cannot show you those. Now, let me show you the other really, really nice things about SmallRig. So they have this like tools included design philosophy. Now, to move the quick release lock up and down, you need to unscrew these guys. But instead of you finding your own hex wrench, they gave you actually two. So both sides of the bottom of the handle, you pop it open. You can see there is a little wrench inside, right? And in fact, to make this even cooler, I don't think you can hear this. There is actually a piece of magnet in there, right here. You can see that holds a wrench in when you have it on the bottom. Unnecessary, but really, really nice. So with this wrench, what you can do, let me just take this one out. You can unscrew these guys or loosen them and then move it up and down. You can also have it installed this way as well. Now that I've kind of changed the adjustment, what I can do is put it back onto the frame. So this is the height that I want because I want it to just sit at the bottom. I'm going to put this side in, lock it, and just stand it up to the right place. So that is where I want the screw to be. And then let me at least tighten this side. All right. So now I know this is in the right place. I'm going to screw this one back. And of course, when I'm done with it, I'm just going to pop the back, put my hex key in, and I'm done. So this is the SmallRig mobile video kit. If you use your iPhone Pro Max a lot for filming, this is a great accessories to use.